morning children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home. Yes, welcome to the maths class children. Today I am going to take part 3 class of chapter 5. What is our chapter 5? Factors and multiples. Already we have completed 2 parts of this chapter. Today I am going to take part 3 of this class. Children, tell me, before going to start our today's class, shall we have a small recap on the previous class, children? Yes. What we have learnt in the previous class, children? About factors. What are factors? And what are the properties of factors? Yes, look at the board. What is a factor? Factor is a number is said to be a factor of another number if one number divides the other number completely. Okay, what is the definition of factor? A number is said to be a factor of another number if one number divides the other number completely. For example, 3 is a factor of 15, but 4 is not a factor of 15. Why? Because if one number divides the other number exactly in the sense completely in the sense remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, we can say that completely divided. Okay. So here take 3 is a factor of 15. Why? Because 3 divides 15 exactly. Shall we check? Yes, 15, 3. Now 3 table, when do you get 15, children? Yes. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So remainder is 0. Means 3 divides 5 completely. So if a number divides the other number completely, we can say that given number is a factor of another number. So 3 is a factor of 15. But here, what is the second example? 4 is not a factor of 15. Shall we check, children? Yes. 4 table, do you get 15 directly, children? No. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 4 3s are 12. We have to take nearest and smallest number, that is 4 3s are 12. So 15 minus 12 means 3 is the remainder. Here remainder is not 0. So 4 is not completely dividing the 15. So 4 is not a factor of 15. I hope you understood. Already we have discussed in the previous class. Yes. Today we are going to learn about multiples. Okay, before that, shall we write factors of some numbers, children? Yes. From exercise number 5.2, page number 145. First bit, write all the factors of the following numbers. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Okay. First one, 27. So number and write factor. What are factors of 27, children? Yes, we have to check the tables. We know that 1 is a factor of every number. Yes, what are the properties of factors? 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. So 1 is a factor of every number, because in one table we will get 27. 1 27 are 27. So 1 is a factor of 27. In 2 table, do you get 27, children? No. So 2 is not a factor. 3 table? Yes. How many times? 3 table. 3 9s are 27. So 3 is a factor. Next, 4 table, do you get 27? No. 5 table? No. 6 table? No. 7 table? No. Directly 9 table. 9 3s are 27. So 9 is a factor. Next in 10 table, 11 table, 12 table, 13, 14, 15. No chance. Directly in 27 table only we will get 27. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 9, 27. These are the factors of 27. Understood all of you? Yes. Take next. Take 4. What are the factors of 4? Yes, in one table we will get 4. Okay, 1 4s are 4. So 1 is a factor. 2 table do you get 4 children? Yes. How many times? 2 2s are 4. So 2 is a factor of 4. In 3 table do you get 4 children? No. So 3 is not a factor of 4. Directly 4 table. Understood children? Yes. Next. Take 19. 19. What are the factors of 19? 1 table. Directly in 19 table only we will get 19. So 1 and 19 are the factors. Understood? 1 into 19 is 19. 19 ones are 19. In any other number we will not get 19. So 1 and 19 are the factors. I hope you understood. Yes. Now coming to the today's concept, that is multiple. Note it down children meanwhile. Remaining bits you have to do in the textbook. Okay. Now take multiples. What is a multiple? Shall we take the definition now? Yes. Multiple. Multiple. A number is said to be, where is the number? 143. The definition you can copy from your textbook also. A number is said to be a multiple of another number if it is divided by the other number completely. A number is said to be a multiple of another number if it is divided by the other number completely, and that is the second number divides the multiple completely. Okay. Yes. Shall we write? Yes. A number is said to be a multiple of an other number if it is divided by the other number completely. If it is divided by the other number completely. Okay children? Yes. So a number is said to be a multiple of another number if it is divided by the other number completely. Example, take, I am saying that 2 is a multiple, sorry dear, 12 is a multiple of 2. Is it right children? In 2 table do we get 12 children? Yes. So 12 is a multiple of 2 because 12 is divided by 2 exactly, means 12. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 0 means completely. So 12 is divided by 2 completely. So 12 is a multiple of 2. Okay, but 12 is not a multiple of 5. Okay, 12 is not a multiple of 5 because 12 is not divided by the 5. Exactly. Shall we check? Yes. 5 2s are 10. 2 is the remainder. 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 is the remainder. So if remainder is 0, it is a multiple. Here 12 is not a multiple of 5. Because 5 table we will not get 12. I hope you understood. Note it down, children. Now I want to write multiples of some numbers. After that I want to take the properties. Yes. Okay, first take the properties. Okay? Yes. Yes, what are the factors? So, properties of factors. Yes. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself, and third one is the number of factors of each number are countable. Factors of a given number are countable. And fourth property is every factor is less than or equal to the given number. And fifth one is every factor is an exact divisor of the given number. So these are the properties of factors. Now shall we take what are the properties of multiples? Yes. So next heading, properties of multiples. Yes. So what is first property? This is from your textbook. Page number 144. The first one is every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, what is the first property, children? Every number is a multiple of itself. Shall we take one example? Write down the multiples of. Write down the multiples of 6. Means we have to take the 6 table. Yeah, 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36 and etc. So here 6. 6 is a multiple of 6. Okay. 6 is a multiple of 6. So every number is a multiple of itself. 6 is a multiple of 6. 12 is a multiple of 12, like that. Understood? What is first property? Every number is a multiple of itself. Note it down, children. Yes. Next, take the second example. Second property. What is our second property? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Okay, this is the second property. What is our second property? Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. For example, take multiples of 5. What are multiples of 5? Write down the 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So here once observe each multiple. So first multiple is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. What is second multiple? 10. 10 is greater than 5. Next, what is third multiple? 15. 15 is greater than 5. Next is 20. 20 is greater than 5. So, from this we can say that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So, here it is equal. 5 is equal to the given number. But 10 is greater than the given number. So, this is the second property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Note it down, children, please. Yes, but in the case of factors, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. But here, every multiple is greater than or equal to the given number. Yes, note it down. Yes, now take the third example, third property. Third property is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Yes, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Okay, infinite means not countable, uncountable. Okay, the number of multiples of a given number is not countable, uncountable. Example, multiples of 4. What are multiples of 4? Multiples means nothing but table we have to write. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, and etc. Like that we can continue. Etc. means infinity. There is no end for the multiples. We can't count. Yes, there is no end. No end. Means infinity means. Okay? Can we count the stars, children? Stars. No, we can't count the stars because stars are uncountable. Okay? Infinite. Infinite. Understood? Infinite means uncountable. So, multiples are uncountable. Multiples of a given number are uncountable, are infinite. Note it down, children? Yes. But factors are countable. Yes, factors are countable, but multiples are uncountable. Okay? I hope you understood. Note it down, children. So, all these are the properties of multiples. These three are the properties of multiples. Yes. Next, I want to take some exercise problems. Yes, from page number 145, exercise number 5.2, second bit. Write the first. Write the first 5 multiples Write the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Yes, number, and write down the multiples. Number 7, next is 8, next is 1. multiples of 7? Nothing but write down the 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Only first 5 I am writing. First 5 because multiples are uncountable. There is no end for multiples. So take only 5. 7 ones are 7. So here they asked to write 5. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 25, 7 fives are 35. Next coming to the 8 table. Write down first 5 multiples of 8. Yes, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Only first 5 I wrote. Next, what are the multiples of 1? 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5. So these are the first 5 multiples of 1. Understood, children? Multiples means nothing but take the table of the given number. I hope you understood. Note it down, children. Yes. Yes, the next concept is common factors. Common factors. Yes. From page number 146. What are common factors? The factors which are common to two or more numbers are known as common factors. Shall we write? Yes. The factors which are common to two or more numbers are known as common factors. Okay, children, shall we take one example? Yes, example. So what are common factors? The factors which are common to two or more numbers are known as common factors. For example, take factors of 12. Write down factors of 12. Factors means one table. One is a factor of every number. And two table, do you get 12 children? Yes. So 2 is also a factor. 3 table, do we get 12 children? Yes. How many times? 3 fours are 12. So 3 is a factor. 4 table? Yes. 4 threes are 12. So 4 is a factor. 5 table, do we get 12 children? No. And 6 table? Yes. 6 twos are 12. So 6 is a factor of 12. Next, directly in 12 table only. Okay, 12 ones are 12. So 12 is a factor of 12. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, now take another number. Write down the factors of 15. Factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? Yes, 1. 1 is a factor of 15. In 2 table, do we get 15 children? No. In 3 table, yes. How many times? 3 fives are 15. So 3 is a factor of 15. In 4 table, do we get children? No. Directly in 5 table. Next in 15 table. So 1, 3, 5, 15. These are the factors of 15. Now observe these two. What are the common factors? What are the common factors here? 1. So circle 1. Next common factor is 3. So write down. Therefore, common factors of 12 and 15 is equal to, what are common factors of 12 and 15? Very good. 1 and 3. 1 comma 3. So these are the common factors. In this way we will write the common factors. Note it down, children. So the factors which are common to the given two numbers or more numbers are known as common factors. So here 1 and 3 are common for 12 and 15. Okay, I hope you understood. So next concept is, note it down, children. Next one is common multiples. Shall we write, children? Shall we write? Yes. Common multiples. Next, from page number 147. Common multiples. Next, common multiples. So what are common multiples? The multiples which are common to two or more numbers are known as common multiples. Okay? The multiples which are common to two or more numbers are known as common multiples. Shall we take one example? Yes. Write down the multiples of 2. Yes. What are multiples of 2? Shall we write? Yes. 2 1s are 2. Multiples means take 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay. Next, take multiples of multiples of 4. Write down the 4 table. Only 10 I am writing here. First 10 multiples I am writing. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 9s are 32. 4 10s are 40. Sorry. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Now take the common multiples. Which numbers are common? 4. 4 is common. Next, 8. Yes, next one, 12. Okay, circle 12. After that, 16 also. Okay, next, 20 also. So all these are the common multiples. So write down common multiples of 2 and 4. How many? 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. I took only first 10 multiples. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are the common multiples for 2 and 4. Have you understood, children? Yes. So here this chapter ends, children. I will send you the notes. Okay. Please send me the worksheets, children. Yes, note it down, children. Thank you, children.